Hello and welcome to our video today. I will access my uh, ESX now by SSH and SFTP. SSH to execute a command like ping or ls because ESX is um, Linux based, okay, and SFTP to show the file infrastructure, okay, file system, um, or to copy and paste files on the ESX, okay, and it's very important thing here. It's because to uh, um, back up machines, okay. I will go to my ESX here. The first thing is go to host and actions, services, enable SSH. Okay. Now the SSH is enabled now in this host. I will go to software like when SCP or Bitwise, etc. Uh, any software. I will type the file protocol is SFTP. I will type the IP address. Okay, username. Login. Okay, as you can see here, this is my computer in the left side. This is my computer. Okay, here it's our ESX file here. Okay, uh, to access the data store, I will go to store here, shortcut, and up again. I will go to store. Okay, up here, store. Okay, var. Okay, up. Okay, as we can see here, I have a iSCSI data store here. Okay, because I have here just one data store. It's iSCSI data store. Okay, this is appear here. If I double click on it, I can see my uh, Windows server that already I created on this data store. Okay, I will copy this file to the data store. Okay, drag and drop. As we can see here, there's a file copied from my computer to the data store. Okay, I will go to data store, browse. As we can see here, this is my file. Okay, if I wanted to back up my machine using SFTP, there is many ways to back up the machines, like using software like Veeam. Okay, but if you don't have these softwares, you can copy this file and paste on your computer. Okay, um, but must the uh, VM must be powered off. Okay, I will go to mm, this machine and power off this machine. Okay, as we can see here, this machine is shut down. I can now copy this machine to my computer. Okay, drag and drop. As we can see here, then this machine is now working fine. Okay, as we can see here, this way to copy the machines from ESX to your computer, or you can copy from your computer to the ESX. Maybe you wanted to copy ISO files from your computer to data stores. Okay, it's a easy way. Or you can copy or upload the files from your computer to data stores to browse it and click up the upload and choose the files you wanted to upload to this data store. Okay, this is the first thing to I want to show you. The second thing here I will go to uh, now I will cancel this cancel. Okay, I can to execute a command if I wanted to open this command line. Okay, like ls. As we can see here, the ls is working fine here in this directory. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you uh, to execute a command by command line. I can also connect this machine like a software like Putty also can execute command line. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you here. Thank you very much and see you.